Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Thomas from Santiago of the Seas. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. So again, we're just going to draw the bottom of the eye first. So you're going to draw two little smiles. And after that, you're going to go to the top. You're going to make it nice and round. And do the same on the other side as well. Try to keep it about the same size. Then right here, we're going to draw the pupils. So one pupil and an iris. And we'll go to this side and we're going to draw a pupil and an iris. Light reflections, top and bottom. And we'll do it on the other side as well. And let's color the pupil in. And right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little nose. So undo the bottom part of the nose and I'm going to bring it up, sort of a triangle shaped nose. And then right below, a smile. Now from the sides, I'm going to draw the jawline. Nice and round. Back to the eye. There we go. And now we're going to draw the top part. So first up, I'm going to start with the ears. And on this side, I'm going to draw a little ear. And I'm going to do the inside of the ear. And on this side, we'll do the same thing. You draw a little ear there as well. And you're going to draw the inside. And now we can start with the hair. So you're at the top. I'm just going to draw a nice little fringe going out. Another fringe. I'm going to take it up, over, touch. And we're going to continue drawing the hair. Take it back to the ear. And on this side, let's do the same thing. Just nice round back to the ear. And then here on the inside, take it to that line and we're going to draw a little line there as well. Now from here, I'm just going to draw a little eyebrow. And here, let's do the same thing. We'll draw a little eyebrow. Let's continue with the hair. Here, you can draw these clumps of hair like this. And maybe on this side, let's draw hair sticking out. Now on this side, I'm going to connect it to the ear. And there's going to be sort of a headband. So we're going to draw a little headband. Little mark up. And the headband there as well. Right, and then on the side, you're just going to draw a piece of hair going down. Now we're going to start with the body. As usual, we're drawing the neck first. And then from the neck, I want you to make a little dot. And you're going to make two lines down. There we go. And then from there, we're going to draw a little skull. So you're going to make two little lines there. We're going to draw the teeth of the skull. And we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to color it in black. There we go. And a nose. There's a skull. Now we're going to draw the collar. Both sides, you're just going to bring two lines down. And you're going to take it all the way to the skull, like this. Other side, do the same as well. And then we're going to make two little lines on the inside as well. And then his shirt has got these lines on it. There we go. Now we're going to draw the jacket. So from the skull, I'm just going to draw a little line down. And from here, we're just going to draw two lines sticking out like this. And then we're going to sort of connect it to this line. And this side, we're going to do the same thing. And there's his jacket. Shoulders. You're just going to draw two little shoulders sticking out. Connect it. And then stripes, because this is his shirt as well. A few stripes. This side, the same. And now we're going to draw the pants. So I'm going to draw the belt buckle first. So I'm going to draw a little square. And inside it, I'll draw another square. And maybe another block next to it. And that's the belt. There we go, there's a belt. And now we're going to draw the pants. So on both sides. On the inside, I'm going to draw the pants. And I'm going to bring a line down. And from here we're going to draw a little belt hanging off to the side. And on this belt there's a little skull as well. Here we go. Let's draw the eyes and the nose. There we go. Now we can draw the arms. With the fists, there's a hand, and this one as well with a fist, and then maybe just a little hook there as well. Now good. Now we're going to go to the boots. I'm going to draw the boots on both sides, just that, and then right here I'm going to draw 2 lines, and I'm going to connect it. That's the foot, the front of the boot, this side as well, and of course the soles of his boots. Now I'm going to draw skulls. There's little skulls here on his boots. There we go. And there's another skull face. There we go. And a nose and bones sticking out on both sides. There we go. There's one bone. The inside of the boot as well. A little band and another band right there. And there's Thomas. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Thomas will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.